This is my guard dog. He literally follows me around, make sure everything is working right, check out my fabrication, make sure I clean up. This is my cat, man. I found this cat in the desert. He was very skinny and poor. Seemed like, from what I take of it, like someone had him and maybe they was moving or something. Didn't want to take the cat and just threw the cat off. Let the cat out somewhere, and he tried to defend on his own, but you could tell he wasn't used to that type of living. And when we found him, we heard somebody outside crying, and like it sounded like a damn baby. We was like, "What the fuck is outside?" We go out there. He was by the porch, by our porch, crying like, "Please, can somebody help me, man? I'm starving. Can somebody feed me?" So my wife kind of felt bad and grabbed him and looked at him. Let me make sure he ain't got nothing on him. Look like somebody attacked him, because you out there, you got the all that wild stuff out there in the desert in Arizona. And needless to say, like I say, we got him and nurtured him back to health, fed him, gave him some meds to keep him going, and he's just a part of the family, man. He's pretty cool. Uh, Only cat I ever met that like to give hugs. Like he'll come to you and he'll meow like real soft and look at you. It's kind of like, hey, let me give you some love. It's just a trip though. My grandfather was actually he was into cats. He said he liked to keep them around the house to keep the rodents down. And then he had one that followed him everywhere. He used to sit in the chair. My grandfather liked watching baseball, so his cat used to sit in the chair with him, watch the game, like it was a trip. That cat was cool. And now growing up, not thinking, I end up with a cat. Sometimes things happen, takes its own form in life. You just kind of got to go with the flow.